What's up, pioneers? This is Dan here with your Daily Investor, the place where we talk about investing not only in stocks but in yourself. Look, guys, I got an amazing video for you guys today. I'm going to be going over a couple stocks I want you guys to look for potential dip buys in the market tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be a Friday, so you know a lot of people are going to be profit taking. And so, look, I just want to put some of these plays on your radar. So, look, without further ado, roll the intro. Alright guys, so if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so you don't miss an upload. And also do your boy a favor and like this video to help your boy out with YouTube algorithm. I very much appreciate it. So look guys, in this video I got a list of plays I want you guys to put on your radar for tomorrow and tomorrow's market, because there's going to be a lot of dip buying. But first I want to do an update on 3 stocks that I pointed out a couple videos ago that are on fire right now. And I told you guys I would not put you in any plays that I wouldn't invest in, and also that would not hurt you. So look, without further ado, let's get into the portfolio. Now I know you guys remember when I brought this to the channel, it was at 77 cents. Now I've known about this play since 46 cents. I was actually in it, like I stated in my other video. I was actually in it at 46 cents. I caught the run up to $1. But look, I wanted to put this one back on your radar. It was at 75 cents when I had showed it to you guys on the channel, and now look at it. It is at $1.70. It is on fire. It has been on fire. It has ran up. It has ran up since that video. Actually, I think the day after I made the video, it decided to do its run up. So I just wanted to put this one on you guys' radar. Not saying to jump into this one now, but I just wanted to show you guys what it did after I made the video. So look, I'm excited about that, to have this play just run up like this. I'm super excited about that. But also another one that I pointed out to you guys, ticker symbol GSAT. I showed this one to you guys. I think it was at $1.04 or $1. It was $1.04 or $1.20. But I've known about it since it was $1.01. And I pointed this one out to you guys. Now look at it. It is now doubled up and it is on fire. This right here is definitely going to be a long-term play. You know, if you want to jump in it, make sure, you know, be careful. Watch some of the pullbacks, because this is like still a penny stock. It's very volatile, so it still has room to pull back, but it also has a lot of room to grow. So if you want to add them to your portfolio, make sure you watch for the pullbacks before you even get in. But this one right here definitely be a great long-term play, because they have business partnerships with Qualcomm. Qualcomm and Gsat have a partnership, a relationship now. So that right there is huge going forward with Gsat. So keep this one on your radar. Then we have ticker symbol OPTT. Now by the day, I'm loving this one even more. I still have to drop the video on you. I still have to drop the video for you guys about doing the research. But look, I'm going to drop that one. I promise you. This company right here, it has so much upside that it's ridiculous. And the reason why I haven't dropped the research video yet is because there's a lot to throw into there, and I want to get every single detail when it comes to this company. I truly believe in them, and I really like the fundamentals and the basis of the company. But look, they do need to have better financials, but they do have a partnership with the U.S. Navy for defense and security with their product with the power buoy. So that right there is huge for major contracts in the future. Because look, the product is amazing, and I'm going to show you guys when I do the research video why this company right here, I have very high hopes for this company right here. Now when I brought this into the channel, I got in at $4.92. I averaged down to $4.88, but now my average cost, as you see, is back to $4.92 because I bought more shares. At the time I only had 175, and now I have 225 shares of this company. And today it presented another buying opportunity. I hope this one right here goes to my guy Swicky on the channel. You know, he got in when I had brought it to the channel, and he said he was up 1%, and it shot up to a couple days ago when I made the video. It shot up the other day to $6.04, and I got in at $4.88, and it shot up to $6. So look, I'm telling you guys, I would not mislead you when it comes to some of these plays. I would not bring it to the channel if I wouldn't get in them. All right. So look, this one right here, I want you guys to put this one on your radar. Man, look, if you want to get into this play, look around the $4.70 range, $4.80 range. The pullback today was amazing. It gave an extreme buying opportunity at $4.83. It completely just tanked from $5.53 to $4.83. And I was just looking at it and I was like, golly, all my gains are gone. But I did not care, because I do highly believe in this company. And you see the bounce that it did. We got the $4.83. And now you see it went up to $5.55 in after hours, and now we settled down at $5.33. So it recovered very well. And also we got patent news. That's why it had spiked up like that in after hours. We got patent news that they just got approved for this patent, and I am going to go over all that when I do the research video. But this one, keep this one on your radar because it is hot. And another one, SENS, Sensonics. Now I brought this one to the channel. I was in at $2.72, but I said I've known about this one since it was like 88 cents, and I want you guys to see. I had, I think, 155 shares at the time. Now I want you guys to see how many shares I got now. I got 505 shares of this company right here. I had an average cost of $2.72. I actually averaged up today when it presented this amazing buying opportunity, and now I have an average cost of $3.36 because this company right here has huge upside as well, and I am super excited about this one. And look, I have a lot of plays that I want to bring to the channel, and you know, I'm starting to change my portfolio up a little bit. I want to be able to swing trade and also do long-term investing. So look, right now we're just in a testing period and seeing what we can do with the portfolio. So that's why, you know, I'm throwing, you know, a lot of plays at you guys. But every play that I throw at you guys is something that I will definitely invest to. I want to be invested into every single one of these companies that I talk about, but we cannot be invested into everything. So, you know, why be selfish? I might as well share the knowledge about some of these plays to everybody else. So look, this is ticker symbol SENS, and if you want to get a position in this one, I would look for, you know, the lower I would look for 365, probably wait for 365, because you do not want to buy high. You do not want to buy high. This price right here might not be a bad price to buy it, but I would probably not want to buy it at $3.80. Probably wait for a dip and then build out a position in this company. Same thing for Idex. This company right here, I've been swing trading this one in and out since it was about $1.78. I've been getting in, getting out, just catching little profits here and there. But now this one right here is starting to become a long-term play. I see a lot of other YouTubers talking about it, like Chris saying, and I like this one. I really do like this one. I want to get a position in this company right here. I'm going to wait though. I'm going to see what the plays that I have in my portfolio do before I even move forward to try and get this one. But this one right here, I would definitely add this one to your watch list. For the past week, it's been on fire. It got all the way up to $5.43, and you see some pull back to $4.78, which this right here can be a great buying opportunity. And the low today, it got to $4.68. So I will probably wait till it gets back to $4.68 or even lower, or potentially, if you want to, if you do your research about the company and you feel safe about investing into the company now, then go for it. But look, I am not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to jump into these. I'm just bringing these to your watch list so you have these on your mind just in case they do dip or if you do want to get into the company. And next we have Nano Dimensions, NNDM. This buying opportunity that it gave today was $14.57. Now this is an amazing short and long-term play. Definitely a long-term, but it also can be a quick short-term pop for you as well. Now I was in this company. My average cost was at $12, and so I took profits today. I was up well over 20%. I took profits only to pivot into another play. That does not mean that this one is bad. This one right here, I wanted to stay in it, but the way I'm doing my portfolio right now, like I said, we're just going through a testing period. I'm trying to try something different with my portfolio to see what we can do with it, because like I said, I trade Forex, so I kind of like the little swing trading aspect, the whole day trading aspect of it as well. So I just want to kind of just testing around, and eventually, like I said, I am going to build out for more long-term plays in the portfolio. But we're going to have fun. I want to have fun on the channel as well, but I also want to be smart about my money as well. So that's why I said it's just a testing period. But Nano Dimensions, this one right here is going to be amazing. It's going to be amazing. $15.50 is actually a good buying opportunity, but I will definitely wait. If you can catch it at around $14.57, if you can catch it in the 14s at all, especially the 13s, I would definitely pounce on this one, because this one right here is going to run. It's going to run, and I'm 100% confident to be able to say that this one is going to run. For one, because Kathy Woods is invested in it, and Kathy Woods is a genius. She knows what she's doing, so I would definitely keep this one on the watch list. And then we're going to go to my baby, one of my favorite stocks right now, Biol. Now, I want you guys to look. If you're going to get into this one, be expecting some volatility. Be expecting volatility when you get into this one. My shares now, I have 4,460 shares. So, you know, if I go down just, you know, a couple cents, it is a lot of money. But I believe in what they're doing. And like I said, this right here is going to be short term for me. This is definitely a short term play, but it can easily become a long term play for me as well. We're just going to evaluate that as time goes. Time and time go by, I actually start to like this company more and more because they have the market share. They are the market leaders when it comes to this laser technology. And I just want you guys to know, if you're investing into this company, be expecting volatility. If you want to get in, be expecting to get in around $1.26, $1.27. It is not breaking those support lines. The only thing we're missing right now with this company we're missing the volume. We do not have the volume to be able to push us up past, their resistance that we need to get to at 150. But once we do, this one right here is off to the races. It's off to the moon. So if you want to get into this one, look to get into this one in the 120s. If you can get into that, preferably if it does pull back into the lower 120s, I would definitely probably strike then. But this one right here has a lot of upside, and I just want to add this one to your watch list. Now let's get into this one, Apxt. Now this one right here, a lot of people are impatient with this one. I decided to go ahead and pivot from this play. I've been in it since November, but we know coming soon they do have the merger. And look, this right here is a major buying opportunity. This is a major, huge buying opportunity for you if you want to get into this company, or if you want to build out your position even more into this company right here. And just because I'm definitely not in this one right now does not mean anything. I have high hopes, and I believe in Optt. I believe in Apxt Technologies with the team that they have as well. So make sure, if you want to get into this one right now, actually is a buying opportunity. It might pull back some more because a lot of people are pulling their money out because they're becoming impatient, and so it's giving us great buying opportunities. So add this one to your watch list if you want to get in. Look at it. Look for more dips for tomorrow. Since it's Friday, we got a 3-day weekend, so just make sure you watch this one. Last but not least, we have Tattooed Shelf. The Tattooed Shelf right now is a great buying opportunity for Tattooed Shelf if you want to get into the company. They have earnings coming up at the beginning of March, and we all know they're going to blow their earnings out the water. They're going to blow through their earnings, which should be a catalyst to send their stock price up. Tattooed Shelf is going to be a monster in the game. Look at Beyond Meat. Look at Beyond Meat. Beyond Meat is around $169, somewhere in that price. But I want you guys to make sure, if you want to get into this one right now, anything in the 23s really is a great buying opportunity for Tattooed Shelf, because when it takes off and when it catches wind, it is going to ride. It is going to explode. So look, I just wanted to give you guys some of these plays to put on your radar for tomorrow to look for potential buying opportunities. Now, I'm not telling you to buy or get into these companies. I'm definitely not doing that. I'm not a financial advisor. I want you guys to do your own research and due diligence before you jump into any company that you invest in, or any company that I suggest to you to invest in. I'm just simply putting these on your watch list, putting these on your mind for you to do your own research on them. Now, we're going to end the video there. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, make sure you leave a like on the channel. It'll help your boy out with the YouTube algorithm. And I want you guys to make sure we continue to dominate in the market. Like I said, it is only February. We have a lot of room to still grow. And with growth, that comes with consistency. It comes with staying persistent. And it comes with making sure we stay up while we on the come up and never look down. Now, until the next video, Pioneers, I'm out.